this Sunday morning while heading to the church. Jairus will do some Tagalog challenge. So, first question in English to be translated in Tagalog is, if I were you, what you want to be? If
kung
ako ay
ikaw,
anong gagawin mo?
Gagawin mo? What
Yeah.
are you gonna,
What you
kung
gonna
ako
do?
ay ikaw, anong gagawin mo?
Yeah. Okay, good. Of course, I want to be a successful businessman.
Simple naman, gusto ko
Maging matagumpay.
matagumpay?
Yeah.
Say it again?
Matagumpay.
Gumpay?
Matagumpay.
Matagumpay?
Successful
Matagumpay
na businessman.
businessman.
Anong businessman sa Tagalog?
na, I don't know, hindi ko alam.
Hindi mo alam. Mami, anong Tagalog ng businessman?
Sa Tagalog lang businessman.
Oh? Businessman.
Hindi ko alam.
Okay.
O, sige
Businessman.
na Tagalog. Tanong mo. Hindi niya alam.
Okay. Next. And the last one. Are you happy with your relationship with Jamie?
Masaya ka ba sa iyong relasyon kay Jamie?
Good. So that is our Tagalog challenge for today, and see you again on Sunday. God bless you guys. Bye.